Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can update the Instagram app on your iPhone. So, in order to update Instagram, the first thing you want to do is head over into settings, because we need to make sure that we have the latest version of iOS. If we don't, then we will most likely also not be able to install the latest version of Instagram, so make sure that your iOS is up to date. The second thing you want to do is then of course make sure to head over into the App Store, and literally all you need to do, and it's really easy, but if you're new to iPhone or to Instagram then it might be a little bit difficult, but all you need to do is type in Instagram. You will find right here Instagram, and what you need to make sure is that it says open right here. So if it says update, you want to click on update, and if it says open, you want to open it. Now if you have already updated your Instagram, but it needs to actually be updated, you know it needs to be updated because maybe on your other phone it does update but on your own it doesn't. Then what you want to make sure to try and do if you're having issues with updating is you actually want to open Instagram just on the App Store. So what does this mean? Right here it says open right now, as you guys can see. But when I click on Instagram right here it says open. But sometimes when you click on the app that needs to update, it will not say that it needs to update all the way till you actually open this page right here. So let me try to find an example for you guys. So as you guys can see, let me just scroll a little bit down and to the up. So maybe we can see it literally said open right here, but when I clicked on it, it says update. So sometimes App Store just doesn't really roll out updates that quickly. However, you can basically fast track it by literally just clicking on it. And maybe we can find another example. For example, Roblox, it says open, and we can see right here, it literally said open, and right here it says update. So you want to make sure to always click on it just to be sure you have the actual latest update. But that's basically how you can update Instagram app on your iPhone. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.